We are back in Osaka today, and it's going to be probably our last fully sunny day while we're here. But we have today planned Round 1 Stadium. We're going to go get our gaming on big time.
Round 1 Stadium is, I think, the most exciting part of today. It's a multi-level building that has everything from basketball to tennis to
Bowling
to arcades, literally a little bit of everything, and it's open till like 1 a.m. It's gonna be a sweat fest. I wore shorts. I'm showing off these calves today.
video games, arcades, bowling, all the things. I'm gonna show you a wager on a couple games.
She's competitive as hell. I'm very competitive. I've played sports for a long time. It's not gonna end well. No wagers.
Oh, loser. We had an absolute blast at Round 1 Stadium, and we spent way too much money.
There was some that we weren't expecting to win at all.
No.
I won a freaking camera. Let's just start there. I went to the bathroom, I came back, and she just has a big old box of like sweets. It is really cool that they have a bunch of different, you know, levels of games that you can do based off of the floor you're at.
Yeah, first floor, you're looking at claw games. Second floor, also there's a basement. You're looking at a lot of arcade games, a lot of shooting games.
One of the subfloors was all dance-based games.
Yes,
all
and
dancing and music. You get to like the third floor and it's gambling, but like with tokens. And you got people that you can tell they've been sitting there for hours.
It's buckets of coins.
Buckets, which was pretty interesting. It was like basically a casino. One really cool thing for all the smokers, they literally have like cubicles, like sealed off cubicles. You can just go in and have a cigarette, which is really cool.
Another floor, they had more of sports-oriented stuff, darts, bowling. It looked more like a giant skee ball, to be honest. Some indoor tennis or ping pong.
They had ping pong, they had darts, they had pool, they had bowling. And then the final floor, karaoke. When a couple of the doors opened to some of the rooms, people were singing their souls out.
They really were.
It is really cool. There's a variety of different things that you can do based off of what you enjoy. I would definitely do it again. And I probably spent like 40 bucks trying to get a Snorlax that I could not get.
I probably matched his Japanese yen to equally try to help win him a Snorlax. No luck. But it was a good try. It was a great date, and it was so much fun. If you found this video helpful, maybe you want to hit up Round 1 Stadium. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on our next adventure. We'll see what tomorrow brings.
Arigatou gozaimasu.